The laws in a country keep getting updated, but there are some which are outdated, some which are extremely shocking, some unbelievably weird, and some outright hilarious. Today we at Simply Curious are going to take a look at 5 of the most weird and funny laws that are still there in India. Number 5, Indian Telegraph Act 1885. One of the most obsolete laws in India, the Indian Telegraph Act holds no significance whatsoever in today's context. Passed in 1885, this law was introduced to allow the British to dominate over India by tapping telegraphy across the country and beyond to prevent rebellions. Neither are we being ruled over by the British anymore, nor do people use telegraphy to invoke rebellious protests now. The law lost all its significance with the advent of television and internet long ago. Number 4, adultery. A man can be imprisoned for up to 5 years for committing adultery as per section 497 of the IPC. That is, having intercourse with a married woman without the consent of her husband. The woman, on the other hand, goes scot-free. Number 3, illegal to neglect parents. In India, it is illegal for a child or children to neglect their parents after their retirement. Hindu law, one of the most ancient systems of law, recognizes the right of any dependent person, including wife, children, aged parents, and widowed daughter or daughter-in-law, to maintenance. Hindu Adoptions and Maintenance Act 1956 provides for this right. Number 2, suicide is legal, but attempted suicide is not. So what the law teaches its citizens is that they can commit suicide, but God forbid, if they survive, they're definitely going to prison. For all of you considering committing suicide, just make sure you're successful at it, unless you want to be punished for not doing it right. Number 1, penalty for third child in Kerala. Do you know that China is not the only country in the world that has a strict child policy to arrest population growth? Even in Kerala, there is a similar law. To enforce the two-child policy in the state, a penalty of Rs 10,000 is imposed on parents who have a third child. What do you think of this list? Do you know of more interesting and weird laws in India? Do write to us and don't forget to press the like button, share and subscribe to Simply